Has this ever happened to you when doing an oil change? Oil comes gushing out of the pan as soon as the oil pan bolt comes out. The oil covers your hand, and most of the time the bolt slips out of your fingers into the oil catch tray, which means going in there with your hand and searching for it. Well, next time, try this handy little tip. Once you've loosened the bolt and can spin it by finger, the trick is to keep pressure on the bolt with your index finger. Using your thumb and middle finger, loosen the bolt while keeping pressure on it. As the bolt gets close to coming out of the oil pan, you will hear a quiet tick. This is the last thread of the bolt leaving the thread in the oil pan. Once you hear this tick, firmly hold onto the oil pan bolt with your thumb and middle finger, and then quickly pull the bolt away from the pan. So here's another angle of my fingers as I loosen the bolt in the oil pan. Again, I'm using my index finger to keep pressure on it. I'm pushing on the bolt. I'm using my thumb and my middle finger to turn the bolt counterclockwise. Doing this helps keep most of the oil off of your hands and the bolt from falling into the catch pan. Of course, you could always wear rubber gloves, and all this doesn't matter if you do, but here at Half-Assed, Pops Racer doesn't wear gloves, 'cause he thinks they're for wimps. Okay, settle down, just teasing you all. And one more tip, always put an old towel down under the catch pan to keep drops of oil off your driveway, and it makes pulling very full catch trays out from under your car a lot easier with spills minimized. We hope these tips will help you, and if you feel they will, how about throwing us a like and maybe even subscribing? It's one small click for you, but a giant boost for us. If you have any tips for our viewers, how about sharing them in the comments? We do love hearing from you all. Thanks for watching, everybody.